In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add and remove a canvas view on your template. Now this will come in handy on plenty of the pages. Specifically, the home page is the first time you run into a canvas view. And if you go to the home page and make sure you have the page tab selected at the top right hand corner, if you come down and you select this section, it's the desktop slideshow. It only is shown on the desktop version of this site, but this is where the canvas views actually show. And the canvas views are essentially these folders here that you see. And this is what allows someone to view it as a slideshow when they click on the forward and back button on your website. This is something that a lot of people may not need because there are 3 images per slide. So that means altogether you would need 9 images in order to fill out this canvas view for the slideshow purposes. And some people may not have 9 images in order to place here. So let's say if you had the bare minimum of let's say you had 6 images. This third slideshow would not be necessary. So if that's the case, what you would have to do is come in and instead of, there is no way to hide a canvas view. You actually have to delete the canvas view if it's not necessary. But not to worry, I will also show you how to add it again if you end up needing it down the road. So if you end up not needing this many canvas views, what you can do is click on delete and it automatically gets rid of that third slideshow. Now, let's say down the road you decide that you end up needing more, or maybe 3 is not enough. Maybe you have 12 images in the beginning that you'd like to, display when someone comes to your website. So the way to do that is you would click on duplicate, double click the name. I would click right here. You just want to name it slide 3 just to keep everything clean and comprehensible. That way you don't get confused. So now slide 2 and slide 3 are exactly the same. So you would have to go out and change the images to be whatever you need them to be. Let's see. There we go. So now you can see slide 2 and slide 3 are different. And let's say you ended up needing a 4th slide. So we can go ahead and duplicate that again. I'm trying to rename. Sometimes when you double click, it'll act finicky. So you can just rename it this way. And we'll name this slide 4. And again, you would go ahead and just switch out these images for anything that you need to be shown. Here we go. Awesome. So that is how you would change that out. So when you click on preview over here in the top right hand corner and you want to open up the desktop, let's exit out of this pop-up and we come down. Now when we click forward, not only does it have 3, but it also has a 4th. Now we'll return back to the first. There we go. And then we can go back. Awesome. There we go. Cool. So that's how you can add and remove canvas views as necessary throughout the site. And again, if you have any issues with this or if you have any questions when you're dealing with this, head over to the Facebook support community, ask for help. I'll be more than happy to assist, or you can contact me by emailing me at hello@bwpdesignstudios.com.